Hey everybody, welcome to Phil's house. Today we're going to be doing a needle adjustment on our carburetors. See if we can get a little bit more fuel out of them. So, show y'all how we do that. So on these type of carburetors, they have a low speed idle adjustment typically, but the bike seems to be running fine at lower RPM. But she seems to be a little bit lean at high RPM. So what I want is a little bit more fuel at high RPM. There's two ways you can do that. You either increase your jet size, should be your main way to increase fuel all the way across the board once the main fuel circuit takes over at a certain RPM. Or one thing you can play with, that's the easiest thing to do, is raise your needles a little bit. Now basically make more fuel come on a little bit earlier in the RPM band. A lot of times in the past I would do this seasonally in the winter and the summer. Just get that little bit extra in the winter. So you're just going to pull your diaphragm, your needle out, look inside. If you look inside, you're going to find a retainer of some sort. So like this one, you just grab it with a pair of pliers. Okay, in this particular configuration, you just got an O-ring and a spring. Make sure you have to lose none of that. Your O-ring is going to hold that needle and this whole assembly in. So if you have a needle that's trying to poke itself back out, then this O-ring would probably be bad. That could solve your problem right there. And now our needle is free. We got bushing on the bottom here, and then we got a circlip and a washer on top. So this little bushing just pulls down, and then some of these needles have marks on them where you can move this circlip up and down. This one does not, so we're going to need to space it. But handily enough, I happen to have that washer that's on top. Let's just move this down here in between. Now that will give us a small adjustment. Not much, but could be enough to make some difference. And then you just repeat the process on the other 4 carburetors. Take it for a test ride, see how it does. Easy as that. Just remember, this does have its limits. It can only give you so much fuel based on your jet size. So I say typically it's more seasonal adjustment in the past for me. Just give a little minor smidge more fuel. If you need more than that, then you need to up your jet size. But for now, that's going to do it for this episode of Phil's House. I appreciate y'all watching. We'll see y'all next time.